Today we're here at Guest Motorsports and Rotor Master. Let's see what they're up to. Hi Joe.
How are you?
Good, welcome to BeMyRide.
Thanks.
What can you tell us about this Mazda? What's so special about it?
This Mazda, we built the whole thing. It's got a Series 6 motor, which is a FD 2000 year model engine. It's been mile ported, dowelled. It's got a precision turbo, which is a 6266. It produces 500 horsepower at the wheels. It's the transmission in it is running a C4. The differential is a 9-inch. I believe it's a 4, 5, 6 gears, and yeah, it's a pretty good car, street car, and little drag car if you want it. The thing will run a 9-second pass.
Did you paint it yourself?
No, I didn't paint it. It was painted to someone else. Yeah, we do all the running gear. Getting stuff done by Rotor Master or gas racing is probably the best stuff you can ever get done anywhere. Yeah, probably good for the guys. I don't know if the girls are interested in it.